Goliath, my dear giant, the greatest champion of the Philistines, you curse me, but you do not know me. Yet I watch your destiny unfold. All your brass and all your greatness cannot save you. I wish it could be changed, but soon your mind will face a stony relief. For as one champion falls, another arises. I have seen them all. Every champion one day comes to know me. Fewer remember. As the Philistines' champion must fall with the sunrise, so will Israel's with the sunset. This boy will one day look over this very valley and for a moment forget me. And so this next champion who rises from today's bath of blood will set over a bath of water, and he too will face me, but not for the first time.